This is the Porter Cable angle grinder. It's relatively heavy, so it's not a lightweight tool. It came with the guard already on it, and I left the guard on it because I am not familiar with this tool enough to remove it. Here is where you have to pull down and also push in order to make that work. It also comes with this handle that you can use if you like. And now you have a little bit more leverage for what you need to do. And it makes the tool lighter. But if you need to get into a corner and this is too bulky, then also, of course, you can remove it.